Greetings guys, David J. Kuhn with Qigong Awareness. Hey, we're going to Hawaii in 2027. We're going to be practicing Medical Qigong, 8 brocades for longevity. 15 CEUs for acupuncturists and massage therapists. We're also going to have 2 programs in the morning for Sunrise Qigong being sponsored by the Love, Peace, Amen Foundation out right next to the ocean near a huge Buddha. You might actually see some humpback whales. You might actually see some dolphins. And you might actually see some turtles. It is very likely that you're going to see some turtles because they hang out in the pond. It's an ocean inlet. It comes in, there's kayaks, there's food on the water, there's seats, the most gorgeous sunrises and sunsets. I highly recommend you come check this out with us. It's not till 2027, so you have time to plan. In January, again, 15 CEUs, 2 free programs. It is going to be a momentous, transformative weekend. Check out more details online. I hope to see you there. Aloha.